Let us talk about waste for a minute. Americans waste 30 to 40% of the food they buy. Let that sink in for a moment. You are working hard for your money, buying groceries, and then throwing nearly half of it in the trash. That is not a food problem, that is a wealth problem. Then there are clothes we wear, something once or twice, then donate it or throw it away. Something breaks and we say, it's cheap, I'll just buy a new one. This disposable everything mentality is a wealth leak that nobody talks about. But the Japanese have a word for it. They call it Mottainai. There is no perfect English translation, but it basically means regret over waste and deep respect for resources. It is not just environmental, it is deeply financial. Every grain of rice matters, and every item has inherent worth. Wasting something is disrespecting both the resource and your money. This comes from Buddhist philosophy, where everything has value. When you waste something, you are not just throwing away an item. You are throwing away the money you worked for, the resources that created it, and the potential use it still had. Here's the math that people never do. A $5 meal you did not eat, that is $5 burned. A $50 shirt worn once, that is $50 wasted. Now add up your monthly waste, the food you threw away, the clothes sitting unused, the items you replaced that could have been repaired. Most people are throwing away hundreds of dollars every single month, literally in the trash. The Japanese approach is simple: buy quality and use it completely. One good item used 100 times beats 10 cheap items used once each. Maintenance over replacement every single time, and creativity and repurposing before you ever think about throwing something away. It's not about being cheap, it's about respecting what you already have. Here's what you do this week. Before buying anything, ask yourself, will I use this completely? Before throwing anything away, ask yourself, can this be repaired, repurposed, or donated? For food, meal plan carefully. Use your leftovers and actually eat what you buy. For clothes, wear what you own at least 30 times before buying something new. For items, repair first and replace last. Now calculate your monthly waste. The food you threw away, the purchases sitting unused in your closet with tags still on, and the items you replaced that could have been fixed. That number, that is your wealth leak, and you need to plug it. I know a guy who cleaned out his garage and found $2,000 worth of tools he bought and never used. His closet had $3,000 in clothes with tags still attached, and his kitchen had gadgets unopened in boxes. Total waste, over $8,000 in purchased items that were never used even once. He started practicing Mottainai with a simple rule: only buy after a 30-day waiting period and use it completely before buying more. A year later, he saved $6,000 just from not buying things he would waste. His previous waste became his future wealth. Wealth is not just what you earn, it is what you keep and use fully. Waste is theft from your future self, so respect your resources and build wealth naturally. But wait, there is something you need to pay attention to, because avoiding waste saves money, but this next habit actually creates money through tiny daily actions you will not even notice. Number 3. Kaizen, small daily improvements.